Vinyl windows Lafayette is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a wide range of vinyl window styles Lafayette offers, residents can find the perfect match for their home's architecture. Vinyl window contractors. Lafayette are skilled in providing top-notch window replacement services, ensuring a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. Lafayette are designed to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows feature advanced insulation properties, making them an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their home's energy efficiency. Vinyl window benefits. Lafayette include improved thermal performance and reduced noise pollution, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Custom vinyl windows. Lafayette provide homeowners with the flexibility to choose designs that complement their unique style preferences. Vinyl window designs. Lafayette range from traditional to contemporary, offering a variety of options to suit any taste. Vinyl window options. Lafayette include double-hung vinyl windows, which are known for their ease of use and classic appearance. Vinyl window replacement. Lafayette services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular vinyl window maintenance. Lafayette can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your windows. Vinyl window specialists Lafayette are equipped to handle any replacement or maintenance needs, ensuring your windows remain in optimal condition. Affordable vinyl windows. Lafayette are available through various vinyl window suppliers. Lafayette, offering competitive pricing and quality products. Vinyl window deals. Lafayette and vinyl window discounts. Lafayette make it easier for homeowners to invest in high-quality windows without breaking the bank. Vinyl window quotes Lafayette provide a clear understanding of the costs involved, helping homeowners make informed decisions. Vinyl window frames. Lafayette are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These frames are resistant to warping, cracking, and peeling, making them an ideal choice for the humid climate of Lafayette, LA. Vinyl window features. Lafayette include a variety of color and finish options, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to match their home's exterior. Vinyl windows Lafayette upgrade can significantly enhance the value and curb appeal of your home. Vinyl window solutions. Lafayette offer a range of enhancements, from improved security features to advanced glazing options. Vinyl window experts Lafayette can provide guidance on the best upgrades to meet your specific needs and budget. Vinyl window consultations. Lafayette are an excellent way to explore the various vinyl window options available. During a consultation, vinyl window specialists Lafayette can assess your home's needs and recommend the best solutions. Vinyl window offers Lafayette often include free consultations, making it easy for homeowners to get started on their window replacement journey.